So we're going to have a go at cleaning it up. We've got the wire wheel on, and we'll just clean it up and take it from there. Maybe get a bit of paint on it. So, trailer refurb. So it's coming up quite well. Some bits will have to be repaired, but I found the easiest way to get some of this rust off is to bang it with this, a welder's hammer, rather than just wire wheel it. Wire wheel it. You see there, a lot of wire wheeled it. Still a little bit of rust there. Well, it's in the corner, but it's not too bad. So we'll just make sure we get it all off, give it a bit of a bang first, and then wire wheel. Slowly getting the worst bits off. I'll have to repair these. Weld that back on there. Carry on. Got the top of it all ready. Got some of this angle. And cut some out and join up on the join. Like that. Well, this, that joint up there, that broken there, this one, you can see. To show you how I'm going to cut these bits of steel in to keep it strong, and so we don't have to affect too much, so we'll just show you. I'm going to cut there because obviously bad there, and then I'll join it there, and I'll join it there. So I'll just cut like that. There's no point cutting that weld. This is what we're going to do there. Just got to make it fit, cut this bit out. And took this bit off across here. Good job I did, because these are not welded. Look. So we need to weld them up. Put the pin in. I'm just going to patch these with some bits. Obviously that bit's going to go straight across there. Patch that bit. Clean out the back of this. And weld that back down, because it's supposed to be welded. If I cut that weld, it's supposed to be welded there, welded there, you see. And that'll be done, ready for painting. Slight change of plan. I got some of this, so just cut that one off. I can put that one straight across. We'll do the same up there. But I will just patch these ones. I've got some flat, so I'll just patch them too. Put two bits straight across. Sound as a pound. We're grinded them flat. Grinded this out so we can get a good weld in there. I ain't grinded that one. And I've still got to take this out. What I might do is put some paint. Should wear some dust mask. Might put some paint in there just to stop it from rusting because it's outside, which seems a bit silly, but you might as well paint it now. I've gone to all this trouble to sand it down, and then just grind it off the next day. That'll stop the weather getting to it, because obviously it's quite a lot of moisture. Being we're in September now. Quick bit of paint. cup of tea. It's only 2:30, so I might do some more in a minute. Let's have a rest.